So, good afternoon, Sir Sam. This is Joanna May Omontira, and my group mates is Marcelo Mangawang and EJ Aspiras. We are going to present the installation of Oracle Java.
So the first thing we're gonna do now is go to the environment variables. Then add a new file. So we're gonna copy the format here and paste it to the file. So after that we're gonna go to the file and edit. Also we're gonna add a new. Then go to the file again and we're gonna copy again the name. Then we're gonna paste it. Then we're gonna click the OK, and also OK. So we're going to file and install the Eclipse. So the first thing we're gonna do now is add a new file on Java project. Then we add a name. After we add the file, we're gonna go to the new class and select the file name. And now we're gonna add the name. Then finish. After that, we're gonna go to the file again and we're gonna copy and paste. After that, then we're gonna run it.